it's not a good morning for her.
I think there's a little height difference.
There's a little height difference. We're going to deck 9 to check out the buffet and eat Havana bar and go Serenity Deck. All right, this is Mike, and if you know me, I am not a buffet person. So we tried the buffet for breakfast and for supper one night, and for the first time since our very first cruise. So it's really the second time overall. Michelle usually likes the breakfast buffet, but I try it for the first time ever. Really, I always go to the omelet station only. So right now we're just showing you what they have at kind of the pastry and the cereal area. We'll check out the main area right now. We're going to grab a plate full of food, or Michelle is anyway. And then I'm going to go to the omelet station, and then we're going to try this food out. So what is the buffet breakfast like on a Carnival cruise ship? This is on the Carnival Sunshine, but I pretty much think it's probably standard everywhere. So let's try this out and see if it was good or not. We did not try the fruit and vegetables, but I have to admit, it did look pretty good. They had also cheese and ham and a lot of fruit here, and a pretty good selection. So I was impressed with that. We didn't try that, but I did want to put that in the video here. Good morning, how are you? I'm doing good. Yes, sir. Can I get ham, mushrooms, and bacon? And then cheese at the end? Is that gravy and a biscuit, Michelle?
I was being adventurous.
Oh my gosh.
I know.
No way.
Good morning.
Hey, good morning. So we're on the last sea day. It's raining outside. We were going to go to the Serenity Deck. We had not been all week, and that's where we wanted to go. But we wanted to try the breakfast buffet. So we went through and we videoed that. You should already see that by now, or you'll be seeing it right now.
I was very adventurous on some things.
So Michelle's going to taste test everything. I'll taste test some of it as well. And then I got the typical omelet station and bagel. It's my favorite in the Havana bar area. But
So you see what he does to me.
yeah, she's a guinea pig, but I'll try some of her stuff. So let's go ahead and go with it. So she's trying the gravy biscuit, and the biscuit's so hard she can't. She's having to take a knife to cut it open. This is not going to be good. We've always said that cruise ships do not do gravy and biscuits.
I wanted to be adventurous today.
The biscuits are hard as a brick, and that's supposed to be gravy on there.
Okay.
Oh god, that's bad. Actual gravy's not that bad, believe it or not.
No, the gravy's not bad.
We've always talked about how bad the gravy is.
It's probably
It's like
sausage gravy
yeah.
out of a can.
And it's
not bad.
It's not bad.
No,
It beats the other gravy we tried.
but the biscuits, woo.
There's sausage, we'll try it.
And it looks good.
Typical sausage.
Sausage.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna try a piece of ham.
I know the ham's good. I've had it before.
Ham's good.
So try the potatoes.
These look like similar potatoes that was on the buffet last night. These
They
are
don't taste
potatoes.
as good. They're not bad. They're not spiced as well as the ones last night.
They just taste like potatoes. There's nothing special about them.
But they're certainly not bad.
No, not bad. And then Michelle's gonna try her pancake. Did you put syrup on it?
I did, but it's absorbed. I didn't put much on there because I didn't want it to get all over everything else.
Alright, so here's a pancake. Syrup is already soaked into it.
Pancake.
It's a pancake. I mean, it's not bad. It's not out of this world, but it's
No,
not bad.
it doesn't taste like a microwave pancake,
Yeah.
which
So-
we have at home.
So everything we've had on here is not bad,
No,
except the biscuit
Biscuit.
is horrible.
you could knock
That thing
somebody
is
out.
hard as a rock.
Definitely could knock somebody out.
But I'll stick with my omelet from the station. It's hot. It's ham, bacon, mushrooms, and cheese.
So I got a croissant to put my ham in. Let's see how that is.
That's good. You got a croissant with ham on it?
The croissant's good. It's soft and buttery. It's good.
Who doesn't like soft and buttery, right? Soft and buttery, that's who I am. So, look at that omelet though. That's the place to go. You gotta go get your omelet at the omelet station, Havana Bar area. They have them out in the Lido area, marketplace area as well, but this is killer.